What's up, y'all? We back at it, man. We got the last funny man that just got off the stage. Man, go ahead and introduce yourself to me.
Hey, yo, my name Big Chevy from Akron, Ohio.
Okay, made that trip, huh?
Yeah,
That's what's up,
it's a
man.
rough one.
Yeah. You got here and found out we got a lot of potholes.
Man, them ain't potholes, manholes.
I just rode up Cedar Avenue, this street that we on right here, man. It's horrible.
Man, it's horrible. You might get buried alive coming down Cedar Street.
Right. So how often do you do your thing? How often do you hit the stage?
Man, about 3-4 times a week.
How long you been at that rate?
4 years, trying to grind it out. Keep it going, do what I love to do.
Okay, so you get outside your city every week? That's part of your routine every week?
Yeah, every week. Gotta get out here, expand, try to let people see me.
That's what's up, man.
Practice my craft as much as often.
That's what's up. What cities do you hit?
I've been everywhere. Atlanta, Los Angeles, trying to work on New York. I love Cleveland, started off up here. So it's like my hometown, been Columbus, Toledo, everywhere.
That's love, man. That's what's up. Well, I'm trying to break down the barrier, man, and bring this broadcasting to the comedians.
Right.
Last night, that's what these are. These are interviews I did. We had a Cleveland OG hip-hop event last night. So I got great interviews, man, of the OGs. So now today I'm in here with y'all comedians, man, and y'all do y'all thing, man. I'm glad to have you on the spot.
Thank you, man. Thank you for
Nice to
interviewing
meet you, man. Tell the people where they can find you online.
They can find me on Instagram at Comedian83Chev. Find me on Facebook at Marlon Ivory, Comedian Big Chevy. You can find me on there. Let me think. What else I'm on?
YouTube?
Yeah, YouTube, Comedian Big Chevy. I got a couple skits on there I do. Check me out.
That's what's up. You heard it here first, man. We're going to lock in. We already linked, man. So,
Okay.
much love, bro.
All right, brother. Thank you for having me.
Yes, sir.
Yep.